Okay, so today we are at Eastside's time trial for the Aussie Nationals 2018. Yeah, I actually made this track, which is pretty cool. So
can you give us a bit of a rundown on the track and what the design idea was with different aspects of it?
Okay, so we'll start with the straight. It's a straight line. Most of the time, if you take the right race line, it's a straight line. We'll get to that later, yeah? But basically, first corner is a big sweeper. So pretty much just, simulating usual big sweepers coming in out of a high-speed straight into a high-speed corner. And then from there, straight into a power loop. So it's like, go through one gate, loop over through to the next gate, and then you got a really tight, almost like a slalom sort of flag thing that you have to just get around. So that's just simulating tight parts of the track coming straight out of a high-speed section to a really slow-speed section, right? Through there, bolting through a slalom, and 90-degree corner straight through a gate. So it's just simulating, your sharp turns, that kind of thing. And then from there you got a blind corner. It's a corner that, taken wrong, is super uncomfortable, but when you get it right, you really know it because you just kind of glide straight through it and it's really good. And getting on that gate too, if you take it right, it makes the middle gate where you take it from the very edge instead of through the middle. And it means that you actually get a complete straight run from the end of the straight from the beginning of the straight to the end of the straight. So it's like, it's very much a track built around line work, around control, overall speed. Simulating different aspects of what usually nationals, big tracks kind of things sort of have, so.
Does it favour a specific type of KV or a specific type of setup?
Not really. This is where the design got a bit fun, right? So for your high KV quads, pretty much at the end of the straight to the first big curve straight into the power loops, that's where you've got your advantage, right? For your high speed straight line quads, right? From there, you get like 4 consecutive tight turns, which is where your lightweight quads come in handy, your low KV quads come in handy, your low pitch props come in handy. But then obviously they've still got to contend with the big straight. Then you've also got corners where it is based around more your pilot confidence, behind piloting your machine, like the blind corner, which then favours more pilot over specific quad and how comfortable they are with their setup. So it is really a track that kind of, if you play a quad to your advantages, it'll play off, but you just don't want to kind of like, oh, my quad's not passing in this area, so I'm just going to like focus on that only. Like if it's not, you'll be able to gain somewhere else, basically, is the idea. It's balanced, should be pretty balanced technically. You could get a 3-inch going around the track really well. So, but yeah, it depends all on setup and what you're comfortable with. And
I know you haven't done any proper runs. What do you reckon times will be on this?
I think the fast times on this track will be like 8s. Like you're really, going for it times. But I feel like if you're doing like a normal comfortable 4-lapper, I reckon anywhere from the 18s through to 12s.
We're going to go on the tone after 5, in, what do you call it?
Less than 5.
Less than 5?
Less than 5.
Who has more fun than us?
Ready, right?
Yep. Everybody ready?
That's it.
Who wants to win money?
Thomas does.
Dan does, but he's not in it.
I want money.
I like money. I want money.
6 laps. Whole shot rule, if there's a mid-air before the first gate, we restart. You just hit the gate, bad luck. Alright, everybody ready?
Yeah.
Army quads, starting in less than 5.
You've got the whole shot. Someone wants to get on you. Don't worry about it. Nice and tight. Yeah, you've got it. You're in the lead now. Nice and smooth now. You don't have to do anything else. Big gap. That's 1 for you. Nice and smooth. No one's on you at all. Nice and smooth. That's all you've got to do. Thomas 2. 2 laps done. No one on you at all. You've got a clean run here. Nice and smooth. Don't have to push at all. Thomas 3. No one's on you. They're going forward behind. Nice. Don't have to push. Thomas 4. This is lap 5 you're going to do now. 1 more lap after this. No one on you at all. Nice and smooth.
Video issues.
Don't worry about it. Lap 6. We'll have 1 more down. Go. 1 more. No one on you at all. Just relax. Nice and smooth. You're finished. Finished? You're finished. What? There it is. There it is. 250 cash.
Well done.
Who's surprised?
Talk to me.
Yeah.
You gotta do your signature orbits.
Orbits.
Yeah, you gotta do those signature
Go and orbit around me.
Then Maddie flip it.
Setting off my lap timer.
He's already won, it's alright.
Actually pulled out.
How was it?
You know, at the end of a motor race,
That was so nervous.
you know, at the end of a motor race where the driver does like a massive burnout and the team cracks shits because you've destroyed the tyres. That's what you just did to your battery.
How was it?
It was okay. It was really. That start was intense because I didn't get the best start, and so for like the first up until the slalom, there was this quad in my face, and I was like, oh no! If I don't make it through now, we're just gonna collect and it's gonna be over. But I was able to thankfully build up enough of a gap, so yeah, no mid-airs happened, so I'll take it.